More than 120,000 patients get eyelid surgeries in the US every year. It's a small procedure with big impact. Let's talk about upper eyelid surgery, commonly known as upper blepharoplasty. So why patients come to see me for upper eyelid surgery? They notice excess skin in the area. Also, it's hard to apply eyeshadows. People ask them, are you tired? They look tired even after a good night's sleep. After blepharoplasty, you look more refreshed, young, rejuvenated, and the tired look goes away. This procedure is done here in the office, awake under local anesthesia. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour. You go home, most people just take Tylenol, minimal pain, minimal downtime. Sutures come out in 7 days, and most people are ready to go back to work in 2 weeks. The results are amazing. You can see before and after pictures. The patients are super happy with the new, youthful, and refreshed look. So if you want to learn more about upper blepharoplasty, we can start the journey with the coordinators. We offer pre-consultation meetings where you can discuss recovery time. We can do a photo screening to see if you're a good candidate for the procedure. Our coordinators will give you detailed information about these procedures. When you're ready, you can come and meet me in person or do a virtual consultation. If you're interested in learning more about this procedure, call us, text us, or DM us. We are here to help you.